A lot of you have requested a video on how to apply to Stanford University in case you are expressing interest in knight-Hennessy scholarship, which I have made a video on. Okay, so this video is in 3 parts: part 1, part 2, part 3, and the reason being I don't want to make the videos very long, so we have a maximum of 10 minutes per video. Okay, so if you want to know how to create an account, how to find a program, and how to submit a complete application to Stanford University, then this is the video for you. Look at this first part and the subsequent part. Okay, so if this is something that interests you, watch this video till the end. Let's get into it. If you wish, you may share additional information about your parents. Okay, this, if you have time, please, everything just add. Okay, then I'll click continue. Program selection. Then I have to select the program I want to study. This will be civil and environmental engineering, MS. Okay, I'll click on this one. Now specialization. I want to specialize in structural engineering. Maybe some of you will not see anything like this. Okay, the honors cooperative program, you can read about this anyways. That's not my, it says allows professional to pursue graduates on a part-time. Okay, I don't want that. Are you applying under Stanford Honors Corporate Program? So I will say no. Entry term, this is 2026. Okay, applicable deadline for the program and the time selected. This will be February, the 12th of, no, this will be December. Okay, they are saying here December. I believe so. Autumn. Okay, the application deadline for the program, I know this is going to be a month. This is going to be the day 2025. This is February. Deadline has passed. Anyways, you guys will see. Maybe you will see a different thing. So now they ask me, are you applying or have you applied for the knight-Hennessy? Perfect. So I will say yes. Knight-Hennessy scholarship is completely separate from this. So they will tell you definitely submit knight-Hennessy by this date. So that will be the 8th of, perfect. You see here, enter your knight-Hennessy scholarship application ID. That's this one. You should have this one because when you start your application, you will see an ID given to you. Okay. So I don't know what I need to put here. So you should put yes here, but let me just see what I can put here. Okay, maybe it's not going to work. See, they started giving me red. Okay, so let's see. I tried let's see. Maybe I'll have it here. Stanford University, activate. Thank you for starting. Okay, this is my ID. Okay, so I did an application walkthrough for this. So this is my ID. So I'll go back now and put it. So now I'll enter Control V and I'll click continue. Yeah, it works. Okay, academic history, you add your institution, the level. This is where you've studied your bachelor's degree. Okay, guys, this is going to be very long. So I will say University of Sierra Leone. University of Sierra Leone for College, yes. Sierra Leone Freetown, some information have already been entered. So I'll say this is October 2015 to October again 2020. Okay, level of study, undergraduate program, degree type. So I will say Bachelor of Engineering, Bachelor of Civil Engineering. So it's the same for me. I'll just put Bachelor of Civil Engineering, major Civil Engineering now. That degree should be Bachelor of Engineering actually, but anyways. So do you receive a degree from this? Yes. Degree confirmed. When was that date? That was April. And so I'll just put the date here. This is 2021. Your GPA on a scale. So you put now. So you put now, and this is 4.0 scale. Then your transcript, you upload your transcript here. So you find, I have all my documents in one place. So most often I'll just go desktop and go to scholarship, click on scholarship, then I'll go down, that transcript should be somewhere. University transcript, I'll click on that. And now it's uploaded, you click on save. Once that is done, it says here, have you taken any degree courses as a non-degree student through Stanford Online? No, I have not. Academic history. Have you ever been suspended? No. Have you ever been placed on academic probation? If yes, say yes. If applicable, please provide explanation on any gaps in your transcript. Maybe you left school for some time. Use this piece below if you would like to provide further contextual information about aspects of your transcript. Okay, whether maybe you did very bad because you were sick or something else happened, you can explain it here. Now you click on continue. Now test scores. Okay, you are not required to submit test scores. You may leave this page because that's what they said. Okay, so I'll click on next. Experience. Research experience. If you have prior research experience, please provide details about each experience below. These experiences in order of significance to you, with the most meaningful experience listed. First, organization, principal. Have you ever participated in any Stanford summer? No. Publications, if you have. Awards, you mentioned them. Okay. Work experience, this you have to add at least some work experience. So you write the organization. So I'll just put. Then the country is going to be Sierra Leone. City, the region, when did I start? I started this is July 2021, and I end September 2020. Okay. 2023. Okay, something is stopping here. So this is 2023. Position, you write your position, you should know these things. Okay. Civil engineer. Industry, so you come here, whether commercial transportation, consulting. Mine was consulting, or I think, yes, it's consulting engineering firm. I'll just put in this, no hours per week. I was working 40 hours per week. Description. So what were your responsibilities? Okay, responsible to design. Okay, you write everything here, and you have 6, I think, maybe, I don't know how many words, this limit. Using for living, to further my studies, to further my studies at graduate level. So something like that. Graduate DOATE. Okay, so guys, once you're done, you save, you upload your CV, you click on this one, then you find your CV. Okay, now I'm just going to put any document. Okay, boarding pass, that's what I'm going to put. Okay, then I'll click on continue. Remember, I have left so many things, and now you're going to add your recommenders. You read everything. You read everything. Now I'll add. I'll just show you prefix. I'll say Dr. Suleiman. These are just slides. Okay, I'm just putting here last name Amara. The organization, I'll just say European College. Now the position, lecturer or senior lecturer. Relationship, say former lecturer. Okay, guys, my phone. I don't know what's happening with my phone. So say former lecturer. Okay. So depending on your relationship with that person. I don't know what's happening with my phone. It's not charging. Okay. Now you say telephone, their telephone. So I'll just put this number. So here you put 232. Why must this be a US number? Plus 2327853. Okay, yes, it's going to work. Now this email, I've written so many emails here, so I'll just put. Now they are going to send this email, this message to the person. Okay, then a message to, so I am, hello sir, and start by greeting, how are you today? Okay, hello sir, then come down, how are you today? I am writing, or I'm applying to this university, and I would like you to write me recommendation letters. Now, this is how my name will appear. If I want to change that, you can click on this, change my display. If you don't want, just leave it. I waive the rights to access this report. So whatever they are going to write, I don't want to see it. And you always have to do this for integrity purpose. Then you click on this one, and you enter your name. Upon sending to your command, you will no longer be able to change. Then I will send. Okay. Now my recommender is going to receive this email from Stanford. Okay. We are under recommendation. So let's go to statements.